So it has been a while since we have unboxed anything. The last couple of items that we've unboxed were the Iron Man mask from Marvel Legends and the Black Panther mask from Marvel Legends. And today, oddly enough, we are unmasking another mask, and that is of course the Marvel Legends Ant-Man mask. This is the mask he uses in Captain America Civil War, Ant-Man and the Wasp, and of course Avengers Endgame. And without further ado, let's take out this mask out of the box. There we go. And there we are. After a few minutes of fighting with the plastic, I have taken out the Ant-Man mask. So this is of course how it looks like. Without the antennas. The antennas are separated, so let me go ahead and take these out. The antennas do connect. If you could see, it has like three little needles, and you have to input it in through here, then attach this little thing onto here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that first and then show you guys the end result. There we go. We do have both antennas on. You do gotta use a little bit of force to stick it right in there, but it's not a big issue. This does light up a bit somewhere around here, and the antennas light up, and most of these do have a hidden compartment of where the batteries is. This one happens to be right here, right in front of the faceplate, so you kind of just pull that off just like you saw. And it does require 3 AA batteries, so the faceplate just goes back on like that. And one of my favorite things about these Marvel Legends masks is that they always have a hidden button to activate them. So for this one, it's just right under here, and boom, you have now become small like Ant-Man. As you can see, the antennas in the back here have lit up, and the face plates right here have also lit up. And then also, if you click it again, it turns blue and you are now Giant Man. So technically this is a Giant Man / Ant-Man mask. Of course, if you click it a third time, it'll just turn off. Now of course I must wear and become the Ant-Man. And if you do have a bigger head just like me, you are able to adjust the headsets that are inside. So yeah guys, I am the Ant-Man. So now of course let me become the size of an ant. Yeah, I think my mask is lit up. It's kind of hard to see, but you know what, sometimes there's only so much you could do with the size of an ant. Let me turn into a giant. Boom! Now I am Giant Man. But of course, sometimes you just need to be a regular sized human. And bam, I'm back to normal. Whew! It is a little bit kind of hard to breathe in here. So yeah, for the most part, this one doesn't come with any sound effects. It just lights up. So I don't know how worth it to you this would actually be if you're looking to get more out of this. This is definitely one of the more simpler Marvel Legends items here, but it is a very cool to have as part of your collection. So that'll be it for today's video. If you want to see more theme park fun, nerd stuff, unboxing, and just fun stuff in general, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Make sure to follow me at my socials on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Check out the last unboxing I did of the Black Panther mask. And as always guys, I hope to see you all in the next video.